All right, everybody, it's DZ here with the Skyreat tablet and iPad holder for the Mavic Air, the Mavic Pro, and the Spark. This thing is pretty solid. It's made of solid metal, the base part is. I like how the two sides fold up to make your pivot ball. And then the tablet holder, you just unscrew it a little bit and get it a little loose, and it pops right onto the pivot ball. And you tighten it up and position it however you want. Now this goes in the place of the phone in the bottom of the remote. This is actually one of the most solid feeling holders that I've actually had in my hand, because except for just the back part right there in the middle, it's all solid metal. You saw the spring there. It's a really good tight spring. Like I said before, it goes in the bottom of your tablet, in the bottom of your remote. Hold your tablet or your iPad. And that's about it. It's a pretty solid little deal. I'll have the link below. See you guys later.